Captain Traoré blocks Air France, demands respect for Burkina Faso. France has designated Burkina Faso as a red zone in its travel advisories, discouraging travel to the country. However, after this designation, French authorities reportedly pleaded with Burkina Faso to allow Air France to resume operations. In response, Captain Ibrahim Traoré firmly refused, stating that Air France will not be allowed to operate in Burkina Faso until France publicly declares the country a green zone. He emphasized that Burkina Faso deserves respect and fair treatment on the world stage. In September 2024, the country purchased an Embraer E190 aircraft, which arrived in Ouagadougou on September 28, 2024. This acquisition marked the resumption of Air Burkina's commercial operations, with inaugural flights to Dakar and Bamako. The aircraft was purchased at a cost of approximately $65 billion. Ibrahim Traoré has purchased other 5 aircraft expected to arrive in the country by August 2025. This move is part of President Traoré's broader efforts to reduce reliance on former colonial powers and strengthen national infrastructure. In addition to the aviation sector, Burkina Faso has also received military equipment from China, including over 100 armoured vehicles, as part of its strategy to enhance national defence capabilities. In a bold move to support local economic growth, Captain Ibrahim Traoré also has launched a national bank in Burkina Faso dedicated to providing interest-free loans to Burkinabe businesspeople. The initiative aims to empower small and medium-sized enterprises, promote financial independence, and reduce reliance on foreign financial systems. By eliminating interest charges, the bank seeks to make funding more accessible to ordinary citizens and foster a more equitable economic environment.